how to set up two-factor authentication on Epic Games. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily set up two-way factor authentication on your Epic Games. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for epicgames.com, and I'll make sure that, as you can see, I've already logged in with my account. Now I'll simply tap on this my account section over here and simply select this account option. And once you select that account option, you should be heading over to this page where you can see that is your password and security option. So just tap on this, and as it says that to access the password and security page, you need to verify that it's you. So this is where you need the two-factor authentication. So just click on continue, and it will send you the verification code, like a 6-digit OTP code, on your registered Gmail. So I'll simply check out my Gmail just like this over here by simply heading over to my Gmail. And once you find out that Gmail verification code, you can simply copy and paste it over there just like this, and simply click on continue. So here is my new OTP password over here, so I'll simply copy and paste this over here, and I'll simply click on continue just like this, and you should be able to enable two-way factor authentication on your Epic Games account. So you can basically choose any one of these other options as well. So you can, if you want a phone number as your two-way factor authentication, you can simply tap on the setup button over here, and if you want to use authenticator app, you can simply use from over here by setting up. And currently it's on my email, so whenever I log in, it will send me a code just like this on email currently. So you can also change password from over here as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.